Okay, in the end of this topic, Nasiruddin Mahmud, we have a deeper analysis of Nasiruddin Mahmud's character and its estimation. And if the reign of Nasiruddin Mahmud was actually the first phase of Balban, or the Sultan was allowing him to step in, it would have been the most foolish of any ruler to let a strong and ambitious noble as Balban become his enemy or a rebel. Also, was he the first ruler of medieval India to put forward the theory of trusteeship? It also deals with other cultural aspects of Sultan during his reign. So it is also said that Sultan Nasiruddin is wrongly described as very God-fearing, pious and amicable person. Born in 1229, he was not more than 17 years old when he became the emperor. And the Sultanate, when he became the emperor, the Sultanate was in a critical condition. The Mongols have devastated the country west of the river Jhelum, and no food was available in Punjab. So it is said that Sultan married Balban's daughter and made him Naib-e-Mamlikat. It was also said that he also awarded the title of Ulu Khan, and all the important positions were given to his relations. And it is also said that it was not a very wrong decision made by Sultan Nasiruddin Mahmud, and it is also said that we can call him a very clever and a very political leader in a true sense, that he saved his family and his lifetimes from the circumstances which were faced by his predecessors. And it is also said that he was very politically smart person, that he subordinated the nobles and let them fight with each other, and in the end it was a result that he ruled for a long period of 20 years. And when the historians call him a puppet sultan, it is not true in a true sense, because though he was apparently a ruler which had given all his authority to the nobles, but still he was ruling them, and he was ably ruling them and tried to control them in other various aspects of his reign, whether it was an issue of conquering the land of northern India, or it was an issue of Mongols. Wherever he was needed, he was there. So it is finally said that he was a very able and a smart ruler who politically controlled the nobles, and he ruled for a long period of time.